Welcome back, Peter.
Yeah.
Okay, so let us go back to talking about the word storm. What is it?
Storm um is typhoon.
Okay, yes, it is the same as typhoon, which means we're having a bad weather. Okay, yes, with heavy rain, snow, or strong winds, just like typhoon. What about fall, or what we
Oh,
call autumn?
I don't know.
Autumn. Oh, you don't know this one? I see. Okay, so this is autumn or fall. Okay, so
Uh,
Thu hoặc mùa lá rụng.
it is season, Peter. Okay, so it is the season when the leaves change colors and fall from trees. Okay, so that is autumn or fall. Now, let us practice and tell me which of the vocabulary items are seasons and which are weather events. Okay, so now let us start. Okay, seasons and weather events. Now, when we say winter, Peter, is it season or weather events?
uh, is weather even?
Is it weather events?
Uh, yes.
It is season, Peter. We have four seasons, Peter.
Okay.
Okay, wait. What about summer? What is summer? Is it season or weather events?
Is season.
Okay, what about spring?
Season.
Fall?
Is season.
Okay, yes, it is season, Peter. So these are the four seasons we have. And right now, if I am not mistaken, in Vietnam, it is summer. Just like here in the Philippines. Okay, it's summer. Now, what about heat wave? Is it season or weather event?
Is weather even?
What about typhoon?
Typhoon is weather even.
Drought?
Is weather even.
Storm?
Is weather even.
Okay, yes, that's correct, Peter. I hope you'll be able to remember it. Okay, so again, can you tell me what are the four seasons, Peter? What are the four seasons?
I don't understand.
Okay, what are the four seasons?
Bốn mùa là gì?
Um, is about winter, summer, spring, and autumn.
Okay, yes, autumn or fall. That is right, Peter. Thank you. Next one now, we have exercise three more vocabulary. What is dry?
It's not wet.
Okay, yes, not wet, which means no water. Okay, not much water in it. Okay, not having much water, rain, or moisture. That is correct. Now, what about windy?
I don't know.
Okay, so when we say windy, Peter, it means it is having a lot of strong wind. Do you know wind?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. Okay, so this
Có
is
gió.
windy. Next one, what about sunny?
Uh, is um is not
Not?
I um
Sunny,
I don't
it
know.
means, oh, you don't know how to say it. That's fine. So you can say it's the opposite of rainy, Peter. Or yes, sunny. It is when the weather is, or when the sun is shining, okay, with a lot of sunshine in the sky. That is sunny. Just like the weather you had in the morning. What about rain?
Is rain is half water.
Uh-huh. When there's water falling from where?
Sky.
Okay, yes, when water starts to fall from the sky or clouds. What about humid?
I don't know.
Okay, now I will translate this one for you, Peter, and I want you to tell me your idea in English.
ẩm ướt,
Okay.
What is it? Can you say it in English?
Humid. Humid. Hu. I don't know.
But it is translated in Vietnamese.
ẩm ướt,
Humid.
Humid. Humid.
Do you know?
Yes.
Okay, you know it in Vietnamese. Okay, so just like in the picture we have in here, Peter, it is humid, which means there is a lot of moisture in the air. Okay, there's water in it, just like this one. It's humid. Okay, the air is full of, or there's water in the air. Okay, now next one. What about cold?
It's not hot.
Okay, yes. Low temperature, Peter, having a low temperature. What about hot?
It's not cold.
Okay, yes. High temperature. What about snow?
It's I don't know.
Okay, but you know snow, right? You know snow in Vietnamese. Okay, snow. These are the small pieces of ice falling from the sky, frozen water. Okay, frozen water falling from the sky. Now let us practice, Peter, and tell me what you see in each picture. Okay, so now let us start with this one. X.
I don't know.
Okay, wait. You have to tell me if it is dry, windy, sunny, rainy, humid, cold, hot, or snow. Okay?
Okay.
Let us try, Peter. Let us try. Okay, let us start with the easiest one. Okay, so they are using an umbrella because it's what is happening here? It
It's
is
wet.
it
It's
is
rain.
Yes, it is raining. That
Rain.
is correct. Very good. Now what about in here? She is wearing gloves, a hat, and scarf because it is
Oh.
cold. Very good. That's right. Now what about in here? Look at her hair, Peter. Look at her hair. It is
Windy.
very good. There you have it. Now what about in here? Look at this place. It's
Snow.
yes, it is snowy. Look at her, Peter. She's using an electric fan because it is really
Hot.
hot. Very good. Now, next one, look at the sky, Peter. It is
Sunny.
very good. There you have it, Peter. Now, look at the plants. Look at the sand. It is?
Dry. Dry.
Okay, yes, it's dry. And the last one, Peter, the one I've shown you before, it's
Is humid.
very good, Peter. Okay, so you did it, Peter. Thank you so much. And that would be all that for our class today, Peter. And next meeting we'll have exercise 4, dialogue. Thank you so much and enjoy your meal with your family. Peter, stay safe. Goodbye, Peter.
Goodbye, teacher.